Welcome back everyone. In this guide I'll show you how to claim artist profile on Spotify. First thing first, go to your Route Node dashboard and head to the Artist Services tab. Select Spotify for artists. You must have at least one approved release under the artist name you're trying to claim. Just know that you can only claim one artist profile per Route Node account. Now just type your artist name in the search bar, and once your name appears, select it. Get Access button will become available and then click it. Now on the pop-up window, click Continue if you're ready to proceed. Agree to give Spotify permission to view necessary account data. A profile matching your artist name will appear. Click Claim Artist Profile and confirm by clicking Continue again. You'll be redirected to Spotify to finish the process. Once claimed, access your profile is instant. You can now manage your Spotify artist account directly from your Route Now dashboard whenever needed. New artist pages can take 3 to 5 days to appear for claiming, and if you need to claim a second artist profile, you need a separate Route Now account or consult Route Now's help section. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.